Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to the lower bracket. It is now do or drop out. These alliances trying to continue to stay alive here in the lower bracket. Whoever wins will move on. Whoever loses it will be the end of their day. Royal Society of Robotics opening up that Red Alliance gate, making sure these artifacts can fully classify in as they keep on churning through to fire. Blue Alliance, Leviathan Robotics loading up on artifacts, heading back now, possibly trying to launch from afar. Their partners in the near zone, that's I'm a Genius, loading up as well as Autonomous expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance number 5 taking a 2-point lead coming out of the Autonomous period. Red Alliance, though, wants to take it back. Blue trying to cement it with double shots off I'm a Genius and Leviathan. Royal Society of Robotics bringing up shots, going 2-4-3 here. Their shots coming from deep off of their members, Metal Benders as well, but going a little bit wide as they swing back around to that far launch zone. Coming back in close, though, to see if they can line up their shots more directly. Blue Alliance also pivoting to all close. Seems like these alliances really want the added accuracy of those close-in shots and are going to make the work to have it happen. Blue Alliance retaining a lead, 122-91, as with a minute 15 about left in match play. 26-9-49. That's Royal Society cycling from the gate still, doing the gate management for the Red Alliance, making sure to keep everything clear. Blue Alliance working to the same, Leviathan Robotics with the gate control. Metal Bender cycling from the far loading zone. Looks like they're kind of mirroring the role of Blue Alliance member I'm a Genius, both cycling from that far loading zone. I'm a Genius putting opportunistic defense on Metal Benders, who now opt possibly to scooch on back, zipping artifacts back down to that close launch zone with their intake running in reverse. 36 seconds to go, 173 to 142. It's close, but Blue retains the lead. With 30 seconds left in match play, Blue trying to cement their chance to move on here in the Croft playoffs. $191 to $148 is that Blue Alliance number 5 lead. These alliances trying to lock it down to red, going for scoring, seeing if they can close in and take back the lead. Royal Society of Robotics coming back with a crash against Leviathans. Has I'm a Genius back in it. They're heading for some parks in these final seconds.
And the score for match number 5, the winner is Blue Alliance! Alliance number 5 advanced in the lower bracket, and unfortunately Alliance number 8 is eliminated. Congrats to coming here and playing in the playoffs.